Release the Kraken!
Alright, so welcome back. We are just going to jump right in because, time is important. Let's go ahead and shape some of this up. Kind of finishing that laugh line around. We're going to end up with another star like right about here to connect the face, but that's okay. So grab the eye and the nose section. We'll hit the combine tool. And we'll start working this geometry a little bit. So this piece, just move that back. This piece is going to connect there. We'll create an edge. So let's grab, I'll grab edge loop. It's just right here. Mesh tools, edge loop, throw one in right there. That gives us two spots to connect to. Let's see if we can just, but to here to there, we need that connected. So we'll grab that. We'll go to vertex mode. We're getting the target weld tool. Make sure you kind of click off first, and then we're going to drag that to there, that to there. You can see we're going to have that star because we can't connect here to there. That'll cause a problem. But we're going to connect this way. And to make life easier, because we're no longer using the reference, let's go ahead and change the opacity. So let's go object mode, and then go down to material attributes. Try that again. I'll drag the transparency down to 0. Better. And then I'll go back to channel box to kind of make my view bigger. And let's clear off the history because the history is very long and that'll slow Maya down. So edit, delete by type, history. Let's connect these two faces. Edge mode, I'll grab this edge and this edge right here. Sorry, let's go edge, edge, and then edge, edge. So grab these two, then those two. And I'm actually going to hit the V to turn the background off. That way these guys are gone. I know what I do is combine those. So hold shift, right click, we'll go down to bridge, and it'll bridge across. So that's the bridge of the nose there. And that's a bit of a deep pocket on the eye, but we'll do some adjustments to work it out. And then this to here and that to there. I'm going to edge mode, I'm going to grab these edges. And actually before I do that, let's pull the back of the face around. So let's grab this edge, this one, and that one. I'll take that one as well. And the reason I'm doing this is you always want to do bigger before you do smaller. So that's connected up. Let's do this section. This will be big and we'll just cut it in. So I'll turn my reference back on. Hit extrude. Hit W to get my my world tool here. I'll go ahead and pull that back. Pull that back to the jawline. You can see where I'm going with that, so I'm just kind of filling it in. And I'll make some adjustments as I go. I want to do the side of the head here. So I'm going to grab the back of the eye. Hit the extrude button. I'm going to hit W, pull that off. Side of the head right here. And this just about lines up with this part of the ear. This is going to be a problem for connecting, but let's worry about that in a minute. I'm going to straighten this off by hitting R and then grabbing the edge of my scale tool, just kind of pulling it back. W, pull it back some more. And then this one, I'll hit the extrude button again. I'll hit W and then pull that down. And now we have this piece. So you can see those few cuts gave us the side of the head. And we get to align it as we need. So from the front view, you can see it doesn't quite line up with that. So let's go back on the transparency. Material attributes, try that again. Turn it back up. I'm going to go grab these back edges. This one, that one. Probably okay there. Pull those out. Okay. Grab those vertices. Pull that one back in. That one back in. Let's check our jawline. We're going to create an edge loop here. Let's see. 1, 2, we'll need one more edge loop, so yeah, let's add one. So mesh tools, insert edge loop. We'll throw one right there, which is great because we need that for the underside of the jaw. So I'll just kind of pull this down, kind of make that shape. Kind of following the curvature of the jawline. Vertex mode, we'll just move these. Pull that back. All right, so it's time to connect this stuff up. Let's move that one out. Again, I'm just following the curvature of the face here. Okay, so from here, grab that one, this, that one, and that one. So these edges. Hit the extrude tool. So W, it'll give me my world transform, and I can pull that straight up. Put down just a little. No, that's good. And I'll connect this. So vertex mode, I'll grab that vertex right there. Now our target weld tool. I'm going to click off so I can deselect anything, and then sew it. And then this one, I'll sew that to there. Kind of watch the angle here, that one to there. And then we can fill these in. Pretty easy peasy. Edge mode, I'm going to go to this edge, that one, and I'll do this one, that one, and that one. Hold shift, right click, bridge. And that should go in. Okay. So we have the face forming, which is nice. Alright, so I don't want to really cut into the eye, so if I create an edge loop here, that's going to cut into the eye, which isn't that big of a deal, but I just don't want to do that. I kind of like my eye shape, and I want it to sit there and readjust, but I am okay with adjusting the ear and kind of stretching this kind of down. So I'm going to go to the side view here, vertex mode, and I'm going to kind of grab across, grab these. I'm just going to stretch out the ear a bit, so that would line up with that. These going to line up with those, and then this bottom section should be okay. So it's a little bit bigger of an ear, but then I can split here, and that'll go across this way through the nose, and then I can use that to help shape the nose some more. So I'll grab my edge loop tool, mesh tools, insert edge loop, click about there. You can see that my targeting is pretty good. It's going to cut through about where the nose is. Now let's attach the ear. So ear to that, we'll hit object mode, make sure we're in object mode there. Combine. And I'm going to combine the head to the ear. So I'll grab vertex mode, and I'll get my target weld tool. So head to there. Whoops. See how that grabbed across and made a weird cut? I had stuff selected, so I'm going to Control Z that. Make sure I don't have anything selected. I'm going to click off. And then there to there, there to there. This one to that one, this one to that one to here. And that should be good. Let's make some adjustments. When we added that geometry in, we do have to start reworking the structure of the face again, just to make sure everything is good edge flow and even. I can use that to help shape some of this nose. Go to my side view, move this in. Actually, right around here, let's go ahead and save this again, because I want to try to keep these short so it's not too exhausting. There's a bit of mental gymnastics to kind of connect these up, give you guys a bit of a break, and then we'll come back and we'll do the top of the head and the back of the head. Okay, go ahead and file, go ahead and save it, and I'll see you in the next one.